Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through 2 comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. So slope 2 ఇచ్చినాడు, 2 పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చినాడు. సో గివెన్ పాయింట్స్ A equal to 2 comma 5. So B equal to x comma 3. Now M equal to their given slope 2, but already we know slope of 2 points y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 2 equal to x1 y1 x2 y2. y2 means 3 minus y1 5 by x2 means x minus x1 is 2. So 2 equal to 3 minus 5 by x minus 2. Now 2 equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2 by x minus 2. So cross multiply cheyandi. So 2 into x minus 2 equal to minus 2. 2 into x 2x minus 2 to the 4 equal to minus 2. So 2x equal to minus 2 plus 4. Now 2x equal to minus 2 plus 4 means only 2. X equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. So for x equal to 1. So very most important problem, x equal to 1.